Hello silly bakers, let's make these really delicious creamy healthy cannoli bars. First thing, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and you want to grease and line an 8x8 baking pan. Let's make our crust. In a medium to large bowl, we are going to add 1.5 cups of almond flour and 2 tablespoons of ground flax. You can also use oat flour for the recipe. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chopped pistachios, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, quarter teaspoon of salt, fine salt, and we're just going to whisk those ingredients before we add our wet ingredients. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. You can use any sweetener you like. And I'm using 4 tablespoons of melted butter that I browned. You don't have to do that. You can also use coconut oil. And using a spatula or a spoon, we're just going to mix everything until all the dry ingredients are well hydrated. I've added my crust ingredients to my baking pan and I'm just going to ensure that it's an even layer. And just using the back of your spatula, we're just going to press the crust down. And it's time to bake. We're going to bake this for 10 to 12 minutes until it's lightly golden. And it will look like this. And then we're just going to set this aside to cool while we make our filling. In a blender, I'm using my NutriBullet here, we are adding 1.5 cups of ricotta cheese. I'm using lactose-free. You guys can use anything you like. If yours is too watery, would drain it just for a few minutes just to remove some of the excess water. I'm adding 1/3 cup of Greek yogurt just to add to the creaminess and more protein as well. We're adding 2 eggs. You can also do 1 egg and an egg white. With the sweetener, it's actually customizable. I did 1/4 cup, but you can do up to 1/3 cup. And use any sweetener you like. We're using almond extract, half a teaspoon. That kind of gives it that cannoli vibe. And we are going to add 1 teaspoon of good quality vanilla. This is Sassy Kathy's. I'll leave the information in the description box. We are going to blend this until it's smooth, about a minute or so. We're going to pour that mixture into our cold crust. I love this recipe, it's so simple. And we are going to add 1/4 cup to 1/3 cup of mini chocolate chips. I'm using 1/4 cup, but I could have gone up to 1/3 cup as well. It's completely up to you. Now, you could add half a scoop of protein powder in the wet ingredients if you like, just before blending. You could also add just a little orange zest in the filling as well. I wouldn't overdo it because it is quite powerful. I would do maybe half a teaspoon to a teaspoon if that's what you like. We're going to bake this for 20 to 32 minutes. A little jiggle in the center is okay. We're going to let this cool to room temperature, and then we're going to refrigerate for a minimum of 4 hours. You're going to treat this like a cheesecake. Enjoy are Healthy Cannoli Bars. They are creamy. They have 6 grams of protein per serving, 2 grams of fiber per serving. They're such a great treat any time of day. And they freeze beautifully. They're delicious.